My name is Ramesh, the secretary of this association, Emerald Owners Apartments Association. Brought to our notice that about the solar system. Then we verified the internet, and then we have sorted out some 10-15 competitors in this line. And we have visited all the main units. And then we have finalized the best, that is Suntek. Which the price is economical price, and the service wise, and fixing all the best quality material. So we have decided with Suntek, and the advantages we know, this is eco-friendly generation of power, and the second thing is the investment of money, which we can recover it back within 3 years. So it's the best, advisable for all the apartments and industries. So in our opinion. The availability, why we have preferred Suntek is, their technology, their experience, and then the price-wise, bidding price-wise, and the cooperation they have extended to us in completing this project. Thank you.